Did you know a 21-year-old woman once stole $2.5 million just by doing her job? In 1993, Heather Tallchief worked as an armored car driver in Las Vegas. But her older boyfriend, Roberto Solis, had a different plan for her route that day. Solis was a career criminal who convinced Heather she could simply drive away with the money during a routine stop. And that's exactly what she did. Instead of making her scheduled delivery, Heather drove the armored truck straight to a parking garage where Solis waited. They transferred all the cash into a van and vanished without a trace. For 12 years, federal agents hunted them across multiple countries while they lived underground using fake identities. But in 2005, Heather made a shocking decision. She surrendered to authorities because she wanted to see her son. Most of the money was never recovered. Here's the twist that'll blow your mind. Roberto Solis was never caught and remains a fugitive to this day.